Alright, here we are, different day. I have changed the oil out, got brand new fresh oil in there, and I put in the appropriate ratio of energy release into this compressor now. I'm going to start it up and we will see how long it'll run continuously before it decides to shut down, if at all. Alright, here we go. A lot quieter than it was before. I'm going to pause it and come back periodically because it's going to take a while. Minute and a half, going strong. Going strong. Incidentally, I went and checked the sight glass, and the sight glass looks just like it did before. I guess the oil just gets as it gets sent up over to lubricate the parts and kind of forms bubbles in it. It gets a little frothy down there, so I guess that's normal. It must not have been that low on oil before. So with some new oil, and I put not quite an ounce of I put maybe 7/10 of an ounce of energy release in there for the amount of oil. That's 2 to 1, or 2 ounces to 1 quart ratio. And it's going strong, no signs of slowing down. And here we are at the exact point that it decided to stop last time. And ambient temperature today is about 30 degrees hotter than it was the other day. So we're already starting off hotter than we did before. So I think this energy release stuff is no joke. It's making a big difference. See how much longer it goes. And I wonder at what point I may just cut off the experiment, because I'm satisfied that it's all good. Oh, there it is, 8:20. So there you have it, 8:20. So 8 minutes 20 seconds, and that's at the point that my power strip decided to stop giving it power. A little safety shut off in there, I guess, within the power strip. The compressor's safety shut off reset never tripped. So anyway, I'm satisfied. This stuff's it's pretty awesome. I don't think I'm going to have any more problems with this compressor.